Guys, in front of me is Red Magic 10 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keypad. So this is the desired panel. Now mark settings icon, go to languages, tap on plus, choose the keyboard that you want to use your device in. You can either scroll till you find it or enter in search area. And tap on done. And you can either stay with both languages. In that case, you will be able to switch between languages by tapping on this word icon. Or, let me just go back. Or you can remove unnecessary language. And once you have one language only, this icon also disappears. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.